Since I was a child, now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do?
Love that we'll never need to hide. Love will always rise above. Whatever comes, we will be just fine. If I am yours and you are mine, take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me, just be with me, just be with me. Now we're one with the sun over our heads, and at night we'll be the stars. We can go.
My 9 to 5 hours are draining all my energy. How did I get here again? A melodramatic nature's gonna do me in. How did I get here again? Now maybe if I close my eyes, I'll end up in some alternate reality, living out a dream I had when I was just a kid and singing choir sings peace in the valley. Every time I look into my window, there's always people trashing up the living room, only spewing doom and gloom. But every time I spark,
So breathe, 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 darling, you can make my love your home, make my love your home. Please, 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 darling, do. If you can be right, be wrong, make my love your home. The moon is rising somewhere in your eyes. Yes, this is real. My rain will wash your hands. Your fire came to heal. You are dance, the life we'll share, the life we came from shore.
if I'd ever known how you'd forever change my life, I would up and go, I would up and go, I'd walk out of sight. But I'm glad I rearranged it, rearranged from falling apart, because it built me a mosaic, a perfect puzzle to capture my heart. And so I promise I'll be there for you. I'll pick you up when you fall. You know I'll be here when you need me to. You need me to. You tie me close to your heart. Praise the giver in my head, as you keep me warm. Walls are melting, hallucinating. I feel lost, and I'll let you be the fever that I feel. Make me work, make me sweat inside, make me feel like I'm alive. Take this hurt, lady, throw it in my face. Don't let these bones slow you down, 'cause I'm coming on strong. Grass should have looked greener. I need a true believer in disguise. If I'm loving you wrong, short-changing and receiving, girl, you best be leaving me behind, 'cause I'm over easy tonight. State the truth, spit it out, I'm waiting. Don't leave me contemplating my own life. Save the bullshit for another man or lover. Don't need a four-leaf clover to decide, 'cause I'm coming on strong. The grass your weary soul, and time to heal, yet still you fight with what you're told, and hold on to your scars and wounds and paths of home. And I said, ooh, what would